Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today's video I've been meaning to do for a very long time, and today we're gonna talk about how much I have spent on my Lexus IS250. Before we get started, I just wanted to thank you guys for 18,000 subscribers. We're getting really close to 19,000 and then 20,000. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know a lot of people are gonna hate and say you could have gotten this car, or you could have gotten this, or this, or this with all of that money that I spent. I don't really care. I got whatever it was that I wanted, which was to modify this car. But it would be really cool to see you guys comment what I could have gotten with all the money that I spent. So leave a comment down below letting me know what I could have bought. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. All these parts that I got, I'm gonna be listing them at retail price because not everyone can get them for the prices that I got them for, or like sponsorships. Let's go ahead and start off with the car itself. I got this car for $26,000 out the door, tax and everything. So that's already $26,000 right off the bat. I also have a list right here just to help me keep track. So next we're gonna add $5,000 for labor, because a lot of the stuff that me and my friends did, or I did myself personally, not a lot of people are gonna do, and they're gonna upcharge. So $5,000 for labor. The very first thing that's actually really expensive is the black pearl front bumper add-on. If you buy that from Nguyen, it's gonna be $2,000 shipped to your doorstep. It might be a little over $2,000, but let's just say $2,000 for this video's sake. Next up is the carbon fiber APR front splitter. That is $450. Then we have the Tom's racing diffuser, which is $525. The black pearl complete side skirts, which are $1,400 from Nguyen, shipped to your doorstep. Keep in mind, guys, since these are JDM parts coming from Japan, there's almost no way to get them unless you find someone who already spent the retail price and you get them for cheap like I did. But other than that, you might just have to go through Nguyen. There is a person who sells black pearl parts on Instagram, but he pretty much ghosts everyone, so I don't want to use him as a reference like, hey, go check him out and buy it from him, because not a lot of people get it from him. Then we have the MV tuning eyelids. Those are $50. Cybon carbon fiber hood and carbon fiber trunk, both of them $1,000 each. I believe that VIP roof spoiler that I have is anywhere from $60 to $100, so let's just say $80. My rear spats, which are carbon fiber from an E92 M3, those are $100 brand new. We have my front emblem, which is custom. I'm not gonna put in the paint pricing, but the emblem itself I got from the junkyard for about $30, so maybe you can find it retail from Lexus for anywhere from $50 to $100. I'm gonna say $50. Aerowolf red mirror visors, $35 shipped. And the paint match M3 style ox horn mirror caps that are carbon fiber, those usually go for about $180 to $200 on eBay. If you can get it anywhere cheaper, then that's all up to you, but the easiest place to find it, which is eBay, is $180. Now we're gonna move on to interior. My carbon fiber steering wheel, I'm pretty sure brand new, minimum price would be $900. We have my K Project shift knob, $50. The Rolls-Royce Starlight headliner is about $100, because all you're doing is paying for material. Now, the OEM RCF front top half seats, that is gonna be $2,200 from Lexus, because each seat is about $950 before tax, and this is also from OEM discount parts as well. $950, and the plastic inserts, those little vents that you guys see, that's $127 from Lexus. You could probably get it online for a little bit cheaper, but all that together, since you're gonna need two, is $2,200. We have the OEM illuminated door sills, $200 from Lexus. On eBay, it's also like $200. The custom chandelier, $30 from Amazon. My Avery brush aluminum black interior trim wrap, about $60. Depends on how much wrap you get. I got $60 worth because I know if anything happens, I can rewrap it in the future over and over. The OEM 2020 Lexus Premium Star button is $300 from Lexus. I have a website that's in my mod list where you can get it for $125, but retail price for that is $300 for a button. Next up, wheels and suspension. So my BBS LMR with tires, cheap tires actually, is about $6,000 retail. The wheels themselves are $5,500, and tires, if you can get them really cheap, anywhere from $300 to $500. Airlift 3P with Air Force bags and struts, $3,400 new, which is really expensive, but that's how bags are. SPC rear camber arms, $300 for a pair, because you need two. It might actually be over $300, but I'm just rounding everything. Megan rear toe arms are $200, and my H&R spacers, 10 mil and 20 mil, add up to $270. Next up is performance. It's not really any performance, but I do have some performance. The custom NVIDIA RCF axle back is $780 just for the axle back. That is shipped. Tom strut tower bar, $350. A Pexi throttle controller, so the controller and the harness total up to $220. RR Racing's air to oil separator, $180, and that's when I got it on sale, so it might be 200 bucks, but let's just keep it 180. The OEM ISF Brembo big brake kit from Lexus, and with my buddy's bracket, total to about 2,500 to 2,800, but I'm gonna say 2,500. We have RR Racing's performance tune, that's about like 500 bucks. PP headers, I know a lot of you guys can get it for a little over 900, but retail price is 1,180. I'm putting down 1,000 because with shipping and everything, you can probably find it for about $1,000. The Pexi mid pipe, $1,100. High flow cats, $300 for two. And the Vibrant bottle resonators, $160 for two. Like I said, all of these prices that I named are all retail price. I found the majority of my parts very, very cheap, either used or just really good ass deal. So the total is $58,970, and if we round this up, $60,000 that I potentially have spent on this car. Since I said this is all retail price, I'm sure you guys are wondering what I paid for the car. So I paid $26,000 for the car, like I said, with labor and everything, all the parts. I've spent $18,000 total. So $18,000 plus $26,000, so that's about $44,000, which is way better than $60,000 in my opinion. There you guys have it. That's how much I've spent on the car so far. I wanted this video to give you guys an idea of how expensive some Lexus parts may be. Me coming from the BMW world personally, those parts were expensive, but there were a lot of replica parts that you could buy. So it wasn't too expensive, but every authentic part that you did want was expensive. As goes for Lexus, I guess it's just a luxury thing, but Lexus has a decent amount of aftermarket support. All of the really expensive authentic JDM brands are super expensive, but totally worth it in my opinion. I mean, you can't really find them anywhere else and it makes you stand out. This car right here, practically worth $60,000 if we want to go at retail price, plus the car itself when I bought it at the time. I'm sure this car brand new in 2015 was probably like $38,000. To me, this car is priceless. I've gotten offers before and I didn't want to sell the car because I'm frankly still paying it off. And I don't know, all this work that I put in, money and time and tears and blood and sweat, it makes it priceless. So that's why I love driving this car. I love looking at this car, and I love the fact that it is my car. But yeah guys, expect for this to go up. Supercharger is probably gonna be $5,800 because I already have the headers, the tune, so $5,800 shipped. Labor, we won't throw it in there because I'm most likely gonna try to do it with my friends. I want to change the color of the car someday. I want to rebuild the wheels. There's a bunch of stuff. It's too many to name, and that's pretty much it. Let's continue our day with some skateboarding. I hope you guys enjoy this, and please comment down below if you guys think it was worth it for me to have spent all this money on this car, or do you think I should have got something else? I know there's gonna be a lot of people saying, why didn't you get a 350? Well, I could not afford it at the time, and I also didn't want it because it was a little bit more expensive. I wanted to have that extra money to be able to modify the car, and look at it. If I had a 350, it would have taken a lot longer to get it to this, and I probably would have missed out on all of these deals because I didn't have money, because I got a 350, and my payments would have been higher, and my insurance would have been higher as well. I really like this car. I got it solely just to look good. I'm getting a little older now. I want a reliable car. If I make a lot of money in the future, I'll get an even more reliable and faster car. Hopefully someday I can get the LC500. That's my dream car. Maybe like some super JDM import 90s car in the future as well. Let's go ahead and go on with the day.
Hi, I'm Balt.
What up, Bal?
Hi.
Thank you for driving.
Yeah, no problem. I was born in Venice Beach, California. Follow me on Instagram @ Just kidding.
So Balt drove here in a Subaru today. Thank God I didn't have to drive. I drove him last time. So
yeah, he drove me last time, and he bought me shit.
Balt, what are you doing right now? What are you doing?
I'm doing some warm-ups, firing up those VMOs, so my knees will be protected.
It just looks like you're doing a squat.
I'm old now. Ooh. Time skate.
Alright guys, just got finished skating with the boys. Super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. More videos to come. Honestly, we didn't get that many skate clips because, you know, when it comes to skating, you like to enjoy it and you don't want to ask your friend like, hey, can you film this, and like stop their session. But let me know if you guys want to see more skate content. I know a lot of you car guys used to skate, so that's freaking cool. I love when you guys message me and be like, damn, I can't believe you skated, because I used to skate. I just feel like it's a typical car guy thing, like to used to skate when you're younger. That's pretty much it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.